So today I'll be showing you how to turn a burst shot into a GIF. So if you took a burst shot of something moving and you kind of like the way it was moving, you can actually convert that into a GIF. Okay, so let me, for instance, take a burst shot here. That's a burst shot, and it has a total of 26 shots, which can translate to 26 frames for our GIF. So what you need to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select GIF. And this is going to give you the options to create a GIF. Now you can go and delete specific frames from that particular burst shot. So for instance, if you want to delete this one, you can just tap on the delete icon and it's going to delete that. You can even duplicate specific frames. So if you want to duplicate this one, for instance, you can tap on that and it's going to get duplicated. So selected, tap on it and it's going to get duplicated. Now you can also crop. You can also adjust the speed of your GIF. If you want it to move faster, you can slide this to the right. If you want it slower, to the left. Okay, and then you can add stickers, you can add text, you can add whatever it is you want to add. And then once you're happy, you can now tap on save in the top right corner, and that's going to save that as a GIF. You can play and see what the GIF looks like. So that is basically how you can turn a burst shot into a GIF on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.